All right, I'm going to cover a very misunderstood part of any outboard. It's called the steering tab. It's sometimes called a torque tab. Sometimes called a zinc. This is not a zinc on this one, but they are on Mercury's. So it's to adjust for the pull of the motor. This boat actually pulls to starboard really hard. So you would think you would move it to port. Well, no. You actually move it in the direction it pulls. And the reason you do this is it's not like a rudder. So we're going to move it to here. We're going to tighten it up. We're going to tell the customer about this so he knows how to adjust it himself, because this is the kind of thing you want to adjust yourself. Going as far as we can go, and it should get rid of the pull. The reason it's counterintuitive is this motor is on a pivot. So if the rudder was here just on the back of the boat and the boat was going through the water, the rudder would, you would move it the other way to get it to go straight and get rid of the pull. But it's basically a rudder on a pivot. So when you move it, it moves the whole motor or a rudder that has a propeller on it. And you can get rid of the pull completely to where you can drive the boat hands-free. So it's counterintuitive. Once you know that trick, you're much better off.